All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today a quick unboxing. I'll probably follow this up with a full review in a week or so. But if you guys are on social media, you've probably seen this brand pop up, and that's HGP, which I'm probably going to butcher this, but it's Homme Grenouille de Paris, which is Frogmen of Paris, or Frogmen from Paris, or Frogmen of Paris. So it's actually a sportsman's club that's still in existence today. I looked it up on the internet. Now, I'm not sure if this brand still has an affiliation with that association, but back in the 70s, I guess this dive shop, HGP, was a really popular thing. And that's what their website says. Now, I'm sure that the brand has been reborn under new ownership and whatnot. I'm not really clear of all that. But I liked the watch. It's been showing up in my feed a lot, and I decided to kind of throw down and pick one up. Now, I noticed on the side of the box, this is the reference number here. It's the HGP 1983M. So I'll just say this was what they call the Commando version, and this has the faded loom on it, the vintage style loom. So hopefully, let me just real quickly check in here just to make sure I don't have any kind of an invoice. I don't think I do, but let's go ahead and see what comes with this. So inside of here, you get, oh, that's sweet. That's an awesome keychain there. So I will definitely put that to good use. And then they had a promotion going right now for an extra strap. And so I did ask for a extra strap with that. I think that's like a $65 value. So I think this is probably going to be some spring bars inside of here. Just check to make sure. And I think I paid around 450 US. Yeah, there's some extra spring bars inside of there. So we'll set those aside. It's around 450 US dollars. And then that looks like the same thing for the sports club. But again, I'm not sure if they're fully associated with them or not. But that's cool that all that stuff comes with it. And then inside of here, of course, we have the watch itself. So, oh, that's kind of neat. Inside the box, you have a map. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat. And this is a dive watch, of course, because I love dive watches. What I really liked about this is a Monin style case, which I've looked at an Elvia here on the channel from MWC. Now let's see if I can get this box opened up here. It's nice and tight. There we go. I looked at a Elvia from MWC, and that had the Monin style case. And from my understanding, this outfit is working directly with Monin in the casing. And I did notice, check this out, on the address from NNP. So I didn't know if that was something with Monin themselves or the casing or anything like that. So this is the one I picked. Again, I'm not doing a full review, but it's kind of cool. You guys can see everything that came with this. So you're getting a nice carry case also with this. And like I said, I picked out the Commando with the vintage style loom on it. Man, I can tell you right off the bat, this is probably FKM rubber here, the way this feels. Super, super, really, really nice. Let's see, what's that say? It says right there, vulcanized rubber. So anyways, feels real, real good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plastic off of this for the unboxing. You guys can see this. Ooh, there we go. Nice crispy bezel on there. This is running a Seiko NH38 movement, and supposedly they actually regulate these before they send them out. It says they need a day or two. Once you order one, they drop the movement in there and get it regulated up and then send it out to you. So really cool looking timepiece. I don't want to get too into it because, like I said, I want a little bit of time with this watch. I actually want to see how it wears and how the timekeeping is, especially for the fact that they supposedly regulate these. I think they said 5 or 6 positions or something like that, maybe 6 positions. So that's really cool. Again, you can see this Monin style case. Love this. Love the crown guards on there. Just absolutely beautiful. And this watch looks really nice. Just really quickly, I'll show you the extra strap I picked out for it. I thought that the contrast with the indices would be kind of cool, having this extra strap here. So it's basically another of the Tropic straps, but this one in the brown. So pretty cool. And again, really nice feeling vulcanized rubber. So lots coming with this, especially right now if you buy while they have the free bracelet or the free strap, associated with it. You're getting quite a bit of stuff for the money, extra spring bars there. So give me a week or two with this HGP Commando, guys, and I will come back to you and, guys, give you my full review and my full thoughts on this watch. So, all right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.